Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to be doing this look. It's nothing too like on the big side, but I would like to just, give it a shot. I was playing with two different palettes, so this is the look that I created. So if you are interested, just go ahead and keep watching. In this section, I'm going to be taking my Soap and Glory flatter box. I am using the three colors that comes inside the box. And in this section, I'm actually using Smudge Chalky, if I'm saying it correct. And I slightly just dab it on the outer corner of my eyelid, only because that's the base that I'm going to pretty much be with. And it is very pigmented, so I had to grab another blending brush and just kind of blend it out. Then in the next section, I'm actually grabbing the color Copper and just dabbing it in the middle of my eyelid and just working it all the way towards the front and just kind of blending it into the Smudge Chalky color. Then I grab the color Cream Soda and just slightly tap it in the middle and then more towards the front. Then I grab the Ulta Beauty Palette and I use actually that pink color. And it wasn't as pigmented, so I had to go in a few times and get that pigmentation that I really wanted, and then I just blend the pink in. I've been dreaming of my whole life. We got a long ride ahead, need to leave in no time. Hoping the better, 'cause I'm a fraction of myself. Now we are halfway there, we're keeping focus on that. Maybe together we're gonna scare the fear itself. Maybe the thunder won't even let us reach tomorrow. Feel adventurous, embrace the pain. When I'm with you, that's how I do. We are gonna run the night away. Now we are one, and like you, I want you And that completes my look. I hope that you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.